Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is Nifty Bees. So before we understand Nifty Bees, we can understand what is Nifty. Okay. So as Nifty indicates, that is an index of the NSE. NSE is what? That is National Stock Exchange. That tracks the weighted average share price of the 50 companies. That is the top 50 companies listed on it. That is called Nifty 50. Okay. Likewise, Nifty Bees means the mixture of stock or share and unit of the mutual fund. So, Nifty Bees is a mixture of stock, share and the unit of the mutual fund that is traded on the NSE's capital market segment. So, this is called Nifty Bees. So, this is the difference between Nifty 50 and Nifty Bees. What is the full form of Nifty Bees? That is Nifty Benchmark Exchange Traded Scheme. That is the first ever exchange traded fund, that is ETF, traded in India, which provides return closely related to the securities on the S&P CNX Nifty index. Firstly, what are Bees in the stock market? Bees full form is Benchmark Exchange Traded Scheme, which tracks the performance of an index associated with it. So that is the full form of Bees, and that is called Bees. Okay. So ETF provides the advantages of both shares and the mutual fund, and this can also be traded, okay, on the stock exchange, for which the performance is an indicator of the underlying stocks, that is underlying assets or index. And ETF is better than mutual funds. Why? Because in that it has higher liquidity and lower cost as compared to the mutual funds. So ETF is better than the mutual funds. Okay, they can also be easily traded just like a stock on the exchange. That is why ETF is better than the mutual fund, because of the liquidity is there and also which can easily traded like a stock. Okay. So now what are the features of Nifty Bees? So we have seen what is Nifty Bees. So we have to understand what are the features of Nifty Bees. So it is the first ETF introduced in India on 28th December 2001. And each unit of Nifty Bees is 1/10th part of the S&P CNX Nifty index value and 1/100 part of the Nifty 50 index. Okay. Likewise, Nifty is calculated on a real-time basis. Nifty Bees provides real-time NAV. What is NAV then? NAV is net asset value and can be traded anytime on the NSE. What are the other features of Nifty Bees? They can be sold or bought anytime on the NSE platform in a dematerialized form, just like shares traded on it. And also, Nifty Bees can be traded on intraday basis also. We can do intraday in Nifty Bees. Okay. So, the assets under management, that is AUM, in this fund is rupees 10,211 crore. So, we will see how does the Nifty Bees work. Nifty Bees work based on the Nifty 50, that is performance based on the Nifty 50 index, and provides return based on its performance. This fund will follow the passive approach by investing in the same proportion as the portfolio of the Nifty 50 index. It can be directly be invested through the trading and the DEMA account by paying a brokerage fees. So there is a brokerage fees associated with it. Also, it can be sold and bought anytime, like how we do intraday. That is anytime during the trading time, just like the stock, how we will buy the stock and how we will sell the stock. Likewise, we can do the Nifty Bees. This is the daily time frame of Nifty Bees. Okay. So, how can we invest in the Nifty Bees? When you see this is the June 2022. Okay. Here the Nifty Bees was trading at 167. Okay. And now Nifty Bees is trading at 200 plus. So on every dip we can accumulate this Nifty Bees for the long term investment. So if we are purchasing at 167, we got now like 20% return. So what are the advantages of Nifty Bees? Risk diversification. Okay. So Nifty Bees provides diversification in the sense that it tracks the 50 shares of S&P CNX Nifty. So an investor can just purchase the one unit of Nifty Bees and can take advantage of the bigger portfolio. In the sense, if the Nifty is going up, Nifty Bees also will move up. So it is like an advantage, like he is holding only 1 unit of Nifty Bs, but he can take the advantages of the bigger portfolio like Nifty 50 shares. Cost reduction. This fund has the lowest cost as compared to any other scheme of just about 0.65% for the assets, worth more than rupees 500 crores. Then what is liquidity? In this, liquidity is also there. They can be easily be bought and sold just like any share and encash on T plus 2 days. That is trading days plus 2 more days. Okay, so they can like easily bought and sell in this particular days, that is 2 plus days. What are the advantages of Nifty Bs? It is in the dematerialized form. What do we mean by this? They can be easily be traded using the trading and demat account when the market is open. Okay, and there is no bias. What is called no bias? That is, they are free from any bias of fund managers as they clearly indicate or the move in the direction of Nifty 50 index. And there is also transparent and economical. That is, Nifty Bs are transparent and economical. Means a unit of particular index. Nifty Bs means what? That is a unit of particular index. So there is a transparency in the performance of Nifty Bs, and also can be just be purchased 1 unit of that. There is no entry and exit load on this fund. Then there is a security for the long-term investors. If anybody is purchasing Nifty Bs, there is a security if we are doing for long-term investment. And as the portfolio is pre-decided, long-term investors can secure themselves and are not required to incur the cost of short-term trading. So till now we have seen what is Nifty Bs and how to trade using Nifty Bs, whether Nifty Bs can be traded or not, and what are the advantages. Now we can understand, or we will learn what are the disadvantages of Nifty Bs. First is the lower returns. Nifty Bs provides fewer returns as compared to the mutual fund as it traces the movement of a particular index. Extra diversification, that is a second disadvantages of Nifty Bs. Sometimes extra diversification will lead to a loss in an investment, which can also create confusion in the mind of investors. So there are few disadvantages of Nifty Bs. The top 10 stocks in the Nifty Bs. So we can understand what are the top 10 stocks. The first is the Reliance. Next is HDFC Bank, that is holding around 8.25%. Next is ICICI Bank, Infosys. So we can see these are the top 10 stocks for Nifty Bs. So investment in the Nifty Bs will help the investors in moving with the market. It will help the investors in reducing their risk by investing in a large portfolio of Nifty and take the advantages of it by purchasing a unit of it. So these are all the advantages of Nifty Bs. So anybody who is looking for an investment that provides a consistent return in line with the market can invest in Nifty Bs. This is my free Telegram channel and I have shared the link in the description below. Here I will be sharing the views on index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, along with the levels daily. And also there are multiple fake channels created using my name and the image and asking individuals to pay the money. So please don't get trapped into that. So here I will be sharing the key levels also, means the Nifty is weak below this particular level and you can go long above the particular levels. So here I will be sharing my live analysis also. So those who are trading the Nifty and Bank Nifty and wants to track the market can join my Telegram channel. Those who trade on index can make use of these levels and also my live analysis. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.